All manufacturing activities release CO2 into the environment. Renault Group has embarked its industrial operation on an in-depth transformation with the aim to massively reduce CO2 emissions from its factories. We are already one of the leading car makers on account of the kilos of CO2 we release and the megawatt we consume to produce a vehicle. Our goal is to divide our worldwide CO2 emissions by 5 by 2030 compared to 2019, and we are aiming for net zero carbon in Europe. We are working towards these goals from two complementary angles. One, consuming less by consuming smarter. And two, consuming more cleaner, renewable energy. How are we going to consume less? First, scaling down our factories. More compact plants need less lighting and heating. There are substantial savings there. Second, with digital technology. We have over 10,000 sensors in all our factories and use artificial intelligence to process all the data from those sensors and optimize consumption in real time. Third and last, our teams are becoming more and more eco-friendly and sharing best practices among sites. Then there's the second angle, consuming cleaner energy by switching to low-carbon sources. To do this, Renault Group has set up long-term partnerships with best-in-class green energy players. We equip each plant with a local renewable energy system that is perfectly suited to its industrial processes. It can be solar, wind, geothermal or biomass energy, or methanation. The goal is to create the factory of the future, a low-carbon factory that produces the energy it consumes and uses water frugally. A factory that shows the way and leads its entire ecosystem in the right direction. Our industrial suppliers are embarking on this journey with us. A journey to a more virtuous industry, with a better future as its only compass. We are by their side, making this new industrial revolution happen, and this is no doubt the big challenge this century. Renault Group has set a clear aim, to be the world leader for sustainable industry by 2030. Let's transform our industry.